Hello everyone, welcome to Scholarhead. In this class, I will let you know about how to become Azure Cloud Architect with AI. So this session will give you the complete understanding about the Azure Cloud Architect with AI training program. So here first we will start with the introduction to Microsoft Azure. Then I will let you know about how the Microsoft is doing well in AI. Then I will let you know about who can become the Azure Cloud Architect with AI. We will talk about the roles and responsibilities. We will talk about who can become the Azure Cloud Architect. Then I will let you know about the skills to become Azure Cloud Architect with AI. I will let you know about the salary. Then I will share the complete roadmap. Then I will tell you about how the Scholarhead will help you to become the Azure Cloud Architect with AI in detail. So let's get started. So before starting the thing, let me introduce to myself. So my name is Shailen Chauhan. I'm the founder and CEO of Scholarhead. I'm having more than 15 years of experience for consulting, delivering the corporate training like IBM, Cognizant, Dell, and many more corporate. I'm the Microsoft certified Azure professional. I have written many interview question answer books. I have written many articles on cloud, DevOps, .NET, front end, and many other technologies. I'm the Microsoft MVP from the last 9 years. So this is about me in brief. So let's get started. So when it is coming to the Microsoft Azure is an open and flexible cloud platform that is providing the on-demand compute and the storage so that we can host and scale the application in the cloud. And the Microsoft Azure is not only for .NET developer, it is for every developer, it is for every application. So whether you are a Java developer, .NET developer, whether you are a Python developer, everyone can use the Microsoft Azure for hosting the application. And you can see the Microsoft Azure is providing the support for various DevOps tools, like we having the Neg OS, we having the Jenkins, we having the Gradle, even the mobile based application development support is there. We having the various management tool support, we having the application support, and you can see the PHP, Node.js, Python, Java, Ruby and Rails. We can use our own choice ID, let's say IntelliJ IDEA. We having the Eclipse. I can use any database whatever I'm going to host over there. And for the infrastructure, I can use Linux, I can use Ubuntu, I can use Windows Server. So whatever the infrastructure you have, you can use the Microsoft Azure for hosting the application. So Microsoft Azure for everyone. If you look at the statistics, the numbers in how many countries the Microsoft Azure is available. So out of 200 plus countries, Microsoft Azure is available in 140 plus countries. They having the total 60 plus region worldwide. They having more than 300 plus data center live, and they are working on constantly to increase the number of data center. And these numbers are the biggest number if you will combine the AWS and the GCP. So you can see here Microsoft Azure is everywhere. If you're taking the example of India, we having in India, they having in the US, they having in Brazil, they having in the UK, they having in China. Everywhere Microsoft Azure is there. Now let's understand the Microsoft involvement in the AI. So if you will look at right now, the ChatGPT is the most popular and the widely used AI, and it is backed by the OpenAI company. And in the OpenAI company, the Microsoft having the 49% stake. So that's why you have seen everywhere Microsoft is using the OpenAI based things to introduce the AI. Even if you will look at, they evolved the MS Office, they have evolved the Azure, they have evolved the now Windows as well. We having the AI based Windows 11 also. So everywhere Microsoft is doing well because Microsoft is backing the OpenAI, and OpenAI is doing well from the Google AI, from the AWS AI and other AI as well. So Microsoft is a leading AI provider right now in terms of cloud, in terms of operating system, in terms of the product development as well. Everywhere Microsoft is leading the AI revolution. So when it is coming to Microsoft Azure AI, so Microsoft Azure AI recently introduced these many innovation. They having the Maria 100, they having the Cobalt 100, so that they can build the AI based hardware. They can build the AI based PCs over there. If you're looking at the more things over there, recently Microsoft introduced the AI based laptop also. So when it is coming the Windows 11, Windows 11 is now leveraged with the AI. The Windows 11 is now leveraged with the Copilot. So what are the brand new laptop you are going to purchase? Please ask for the AI based laptop. Ask for the NPU, because in the AI based laptop we having the NPU. So Azure Cloud Architect is responsible for designing and planning the things. The architect is responsible for the implementation, cost management, security and compliance implementation, migration of the database, migration of the code. Everything is taken care by the Azure Cloud Architect. He is responsible for performance tuning. He is responsible for DevOps integration and various AI implementation, so that we can have the productive data analytics for the better project outcome. Of course, you should be responsible for training and guidance as well. If someone is not knowing the things, you should help them how to implement the Azure service, how to configure it, so that can be done. Now the question is here, who can become the Azure Cloud Architect with the AI? So the people who already working as a software engineer, system analyst, tech lead, project lead, technical manager, system administrator, you might be it software architect, you should learn the Azure with AI, so that become the Azure Cloud Architect. Because everywhere now the product deployment is happening over the cloud. So if you're from the background for .NET, you definitely learn the Azure, so that the deployment can be done in the cloud and do the things over there. Now let's look at the Azure Architect salary. So here I have included only the simple Azure Architect salary, where in the Capgemini the range is 20 to 45. In Microsoft we have been around 60 lakhs, Tech Mahindra around 44 lakhs, Infosys around 31 lakhs, IBM 42. So these are the some of the company salary range where they're looking for the Azure Cloud Architect only. If you will add the AI skills as well, of course the salary will be the better. The reason behind it, with the help of AI, the things are now going to be implemented well, and everywhere for the tech support, everywhere for generating the various things, AI is nowadays is a must skill. As a developer, as a solution architect, as a cloud architect, you must know. So now the question is here, how to become the Azure Cloud Architect with the AI? What are the various certification, the training I should do? So in this case, we having the Microsoft certified Azure fundamentals training. This is for knowing the fundamentals of Azure Cloud. This is completely optional because it is a complete theoretical one, but you should know if you are getting started with the Azure from the beginning. From the second certification, we having the Microsoft certified Azure Administrator Associate. With exam code we having AZ104. So you should know how to configure the various Azure services, how to administrate them. So as an administrator, you should know the Azure Administrator Associate related services. Then we having the Microsoft certified Azure Solution Architect. So we having the exam code here AZ305, which will help you to take the decision making, designing the system and taking the another approach. There we having the Microsoft certified Azure Solution Architect. And when it is coming the AI, in the AI we having the Microsoft certified Azure AI Engineer Associate. With exam code we having the AI102, where you should know the Open AI, you should know the Azure AI, NLP, and in this program we have added more extra things, especially in terms of generative AI tools, let's say ChatGPT and the GitHub Copilot, because until you will not include the Gen AI and others understanding, learning the AI is not much helpful in your real life. So whenever you're learning the AI, make sure you are learning the Gen AI also, so that it is fruitful in terms of your productivity, in terms of your project one. So how does the Scholar Head we can help you to become a Azure Solution Architect with the AI? So here what we have done, we have divided a training program into the three stages. So every program we have divided into three stages. So we having the stage 1. In the stage 1 you are having the group learning. Even you will have a 1 year unlimited live session access. So if you will enroll with us, you are going to get the 1 year unlimited live training access. You will get the quick notes over there. You will get here in the stage 2, we are focusing on the hands-on lab, because the company will hire you for experience. If you know how to build the software end to end, if you know how to configure the things, the company will hire you. If you don't have the working experience, trust me, company will not hire you. So for that purpose, we having the hands-on lab, we having the various projects to build. I will show you what are the various projects we will build in this training program, so that you will get the real world experience. Then we having the stage 3, which will help you to empower yourself, so that you be able to crack the interview. Because many people don't know which type of question are going to be asked, how to answer them. So we are going to discuss those things also here. Even I will let you know how to draft the resume, how to give the interview, because we having the interview question answer courses as well, so that you will prepare yourself for giving the interview on Microsoft Azure, how to answer the things over there, that discussion we having, that interview preparation things we having, you are going to get in this training program. So now let me give you a understanding about the course content, whatever you're going to get from this training program. So if you look at this, is the certification training we having, Microsoft Azure Cloud Architect with the AI, and it is a proven curriculum to get the Azure Architect job with the salary range of 35 lakhs to 55 lakhs, the company you are targeting. It is a 4 months training program where we are teaching you the various things. We will start from the Azure admin, where you are learning how to configure the various Azure services, how to automate the things, how to the scripting using the PowerShell, using the Azure CLI. Then you will learn about the Azure Solution Architect things, where you having the understanding of the designing the infrastructure, designing the architecture, taking the decision over there. Then you will talk about here the cost optimization, operational excellence, how to design the various solution as per the need that you are going to learn in the Azure Cloud, Azure Solution Architect. Then we having a Azure AI along with the Open AI and the Generative AI, where you are learning about the Azure AI in detail. What is the various AI concept we having, let's say supervised learning, unsupervised learning, what are the various Azure AI services we having, how we can implement the various Azure AI solution for the images, for the document, how we can implement the search over there. And the most important, we having the Open AI. You will learn about the Open AI, LLMs, you will learn prompt engineering, you will learn here. You will learn about the Gen AI tools, where we having the ChatGPT, we having the GitHub Copilot. So when it is coming to improving the productivity, of course GitHub Copilot and the ChatGPT will help you, because when it is coming to the impact of the AI, so impact of the AI is everywhere. So what you have to do, you have to work on to become a smart architect. And how can become the smart architect? When you know the ChatGPT and the GitHub Copilot like tools, because such tools will make your productivity up to 4x. So you able to do the job of at least 2 to 3 developers, 2 to 3 architect also, if you know the generative AI tools well. So try to become a smart and AI driven solution architect, not only the solution architect. So this training program is designed to become a Azure Cloud Architect with AI, so that you will have a smartness inside you to deal with the situation and to handle with them well. Of course, we having the career coaching session, where I will let you know how to draft the resume, how to look for the job, so that you are going to get a role you are looking for. So in this training program, you are going to build the 3 real world projects. So first project we are building here, how to build the e-doctor website, like we having the Practo, which is providing the online doctors facility. You can book the online consultation, you can visit a particular doctor clinic. So you will let you know how to build such type of application using the Microsoft Azure various services. Then you will see a document processing system which we will develop using the Microsoft Azure AI, so that we can process the various document exactly in the e-doctor website. Let's say someone is uploading a prescription, so how we can extract the data from that prescription and can feed for the doctor help, so then doctor get to know what are the things we having over there. Then we having a third project for the customer support chatbot, because nowadays you have seen everywhere with the help of chatbot we are going to automate the customer support. So what are the question usually, or you can say commonly coming on the website, we don't need to address them by a human. Through a chatbot those questions we can address well. So we'll see how we can create a chatbot using the OpenAI for providing such facility. And trust me, these are the projects will help you to get that understanding which necessary to become a Azure cloud architect. So these are the three projects. I'm just going to show you here in the project one. Apart from that, we are discussing many more case studies, many more things, because until you will not see the things in the action, you will not have the confidence, you will not have the clarity in your mind. So that's why we are building these three live projects, so that you having the clarity, a clear goal, how to configure the things, how to set up the CI/CD, how to the deployment, and how to integrate the AI, and how to integrate the Gen AI. This way you are going to learn in this training program, so that you having the complete real world experience. So this is about the Azure Cloud Architect with the AI training program offered by the Scholarhead. If you are willing to know more, you can call to us and you can book a demo with us, where I will let you know how to become the Azure Cloud Architect with the AI and can take your career to the next level. So thank you for watching this video and see you in the program. Bye.